Well, hello there YouTube, and today I'm in my little home base today, and I thought I would start preparing for winter, and part of that includes this backup heater that I have, and then over here I've got my sort of portable pantry. And what it was doing before was it would actually like fall over to the roadside, like this part here, it would actually fall over. So what I did was I placed a scrap piece of wood right here just to level it off, and then quickly just added this as a way to sort of contain it as well. So that's one way to do it. And as I'm going through these videos, you're starting to see sort of like the up close and personal views of how I built this thing, and you'll notice that a lot of this is from found free or near free materials, so that's pretty cool. And I was very happy to build this thing on a limited budget, and the budget still continues. I blew the budget because I started to install, rather I installed a diesel heater, and extremely useful. And that diesel heater right now is running. You can probably hear it in the background, and you're probably wondering, if you're of the curious sort, what that duct, silver duct is. And what that is, I have it hooked up to the output, the heat output, and it's diverting it to the floor. And I'll tell you something, it's made such a huge difference. It's a bit of an eyesore, but you know, right now it's functional. I'm not looking to win any type of awards, but this van right now, I think I could hold out for anywhere from 3 days to 10 days if I had to. I've got enough food, and I could sort of bug out and just drive away anywhere with the confidence that I'm going to be pretty comfortable. So I'm done here. I'm going to be heading out to work. I just wanted to I wanted to share this snippet of sanity on what I'm doing, and I hope you guys have a great Friday. It's Friday here, might be Saturday there, but anyway, have a great day everybody. And if you like the video, please like it, and if you find anything useful, or you might think you might want to subscribe, I would really appreciate that. I'd like to grow my subscriber base, and you'll also get notifications as well. And who knows, maybe in the future I might be feeling a little generous. I might give stuff out. Not sure, no promises. I'm still starting out, and I'm learning how to do all this YouTube-y stuff. Okay, thanks a lot guys, and have a wonderful life.
Wow, that's strong coffee.